Oh, the chicken. Oh, you know, go try, man. He just trying.
Go where you make it go pot come on outside before you shoot it inside.
Karim.
You alright?
French fried chicken.
French fried chicken. That's what they call it in Jamaica. French fried chicken. They add the flour and a little baking powder, and you can use self-rising flour because it comes with baking powder too. Fish rind. What the name of the fish they make? Meg, what's the name of the fish?
Oh, parrot.
Parrot. What else?
Yeah, parrot in the middle of goat fish.
Parrot, goldfish, and sinapper. This is parrot, this is goldfish and sinapper frying in Bitter Bushwalk, Jamaica. Let's go with the food now.
No, let me send you.
This is fried chicken.
Chef, come, chef.
Fried chicken.
Tell me if you want more, yeah?
The chef is making fried chicken. I'm recording this from Bitter Bushwalk in Jamaica. It's just a small district, Bitter Bushwalk. And I'm recording, they're having a homegoing celebration. So I'm recording homecoming celebration for someone in the community. And the chef is turning the chicken. You don't mind me tape your chef? Alright, the chef don't mind me taping. So the chef is turning the fried chicken. It's a pot of fried chicken. And that's Miss Jodine. She's gonna be the next mayor for our area. Ah, that's Miss Jodine Swebi dancing. Yes, yes, yes. And this is Margaret from Eat Good TV in Jamaica. Yes. Oh yeah. Listen, home going celebration. Yes. Yes. Woo. 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 Yes. Woo. Woo. And this is the soup pot right here. This is the soup pot here. This is the different man on the pot. You don't mind me tape you, sir?
No problem.
No problem. Here the man say no problem. What's your name, sir? You. Say hi to the people, you.
Hi to the people.
Yes, yeah. This is Mr. Hugh. He's the chef. He's the chef here on the soup. Yeah. You're going to be the mayor one day. May I tell you? Yep. And that's Jodine. And we are coming from Bitter Bushwalk in Jamaica. A small community. It's not on the map. But we are here celebrating homegoing. Yes, yes. Yes, and this is another one of the baby right here. Turn around, darling. Turn around. Yes. She's moving it up, darling. Moving it up. Moving it up. Yes. Oh, yeah. Move your foot for Jesus. Move your foot for Jesus. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, you see the city, yes, you go to the city. I'm going to the city. Hello, how you doing? All right. And this is yam, we have yam. And these are some young men here standing up. Say hi. Can I record you? Yeah, yes. All right, say hi. And if you need a girl overseas, just say it. You need a girl? Hold on. Let me move my mask a little bit so I can talk. Yes, you need a girlfriend in America? Yeah. And in England? Put it there. Tell your name. Tell the name and your phone number. They're joking. You see, they don't need no woman. They don't need no woman. You see, they're quite fine. They're just joking. For the homegoing celebration, they have a feast. So here in Bitter Bush Walk, we are having a feast. So we have a feast, and then tomorrow is the burial. So it's a homegoing celebration. So this tent now will fit everybody tomorrow for the service.
Yo Feel nice. Them nice. When them nice, I saw them go on. Huh? Show roll. They want you to come right, sir. Our family member come right. I'll be like you. Okay, big God. I will never sing for big God this night. That's true. I am dying all night. What are you saying? What are you saying? I am Father. Tonight.